Think before you eat yogurt on the last leaf. On this sunny summer day, a bowl of cold yogurt can satisfy the taste buds. Many people do not go without a little yogurt on the last leaf. Yogurt helps in fast digestion of food. The lactose, calcium, vitamin B2, magnesium and potassium in yogurt are very good for health. However, some foods with yogurt can have a negative effect on the body. Know what not to eat with yogurt. At number 1. Onion. Raita made with sour curd is the favorite food of many. However, when making raita, don't forget to add onion with curd. Reacting to yogurt and onions can cause serious health risks such as allergies, skin problems, and asthma. At number 2. Fish. There is a tendency to eat yogurt with Bengali fish in fish and rice. The food-loving Bengali picks up the hot rice with fish kalia, kofta, curd shrimp, or hilsa cooked with curd. Eat a bowl of yogurt at the end of a full stomach. But playing yogurt and fish together can be a health risk. Yogurt and fish, these two foods have enough protein. So playing together can cause digestive problems, stomach pain. At number 3. Milk. Although milk is the main ingredient in making yogurt and milk should never be eaten together. It can cause diarrhea, acidity, nausea, flatulence, and other physical problems. At number 4. Oily foods. Never eat yogurt with oil-fried food. This reduces the digestive power. At number 5. Mango. Lots of ripe mangoes are available in the market now. Do not forget to eat yogurt mixed with mango. Because yogurt and mango can have adverse effects on the body together. It can cause skin allergies. There may be digestive problems, even stomach poisoning.